first these ones, this, then these two. So this also holds this, I don't remember the name, that's why the screw is so long. There's a coil, a little bit of rust. There's the spark plug. Copy paste now. Take it out, unplug. Remember to place them oh, fuck. There we go. So the same order as you're taking out. Go. And the last one, it's always the hardest. There we go. Unplug and free. Super clean. Important thing now, this is a tool that I chose. So it's swivelable, as you can see, 5/8 the size, and has a little, we'll see it later, has a little magnet. So put it, and now moment of truth. So as I didn't have a 3/4, there you got an adapter, you'll see later, from 3/4 to half. So let's see now, we gently untie it. Good thing, you can make it like this, make it faster. Keep going, keep going. Till you feel it's free. Be very careful now. We don't have to drop the plug, and let's check. Wow. You will see here it's magnet, so there it is, released. Let's see what we got here. This is first time, so we got a ZFR6K made in France, NGK R. It wasn't running oil, although it's pretty used, and can see. To manipulate the spark plug, I'm taking my glove off. So do your research, but this is what I came up. That's it. I didn't know what the car has before, but apparently it's a match. Someone did the maintenance pretty good in the past. So thanks, Adam, previous owner. So it's exactly the same, but here you can see in a better shape. So yeah, let's do it. So remember what I told that about the magnet. So if you don't have a magnet, here's a trick. You can put a little tape. It will hold the, be careful not to touch the spark plug. It will hold the spark plug while you're putting it. If you have a vacuum, you can do a little vacuum there. Let's see how is. Be careful, put the spark plug down. Let's see if we can see something. Apparently it's pretty clean, right? So, but if you have a vacuum, it's better always to do a little. And well, that's it. So being very careful, you start putting your spark plug in, and you do a little, just very gentle, very gentle. We hand tied at the beginning, very gentle. Oh, this one we don't use it anymore. We drop it to the floor so we don't get mixed with the new ones, and you keep until you feel some resistance. Good. And now we deploy the magic tool. So this is my torque wrench from Premier Black Sealey. I'll leave you the link or perhaps a review if you like it. And we are going to put it in 13 foot-pounds. I don't know which one is the conversion, but that's what's said in the manual. Let's see if you can hear it from here. So, and that's 13 foot-pounds. Now we gently remove the tool, and it's going to come out with the tape and no spark plug because spark plug is there. So if you don't believe me, here it is. Spark plugs, petrol models, 13 foot-pound, 18 Newton meter, original. I gotta do. Let's see. $210,213. I don't know if I said it right, but that number. What a machine.